Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today we're taking a closer look at the WORX 20V PowerShare Cordless Stick Vacuum WX 038L.9. It's marketed as a powerful, lightweight solution for tackling pet hair, dust, and debris across multiple surfaces. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down and find out. First, let's start with the basics. This vacuum offers a solid 25 kPa of suction power, which is pretty impressive for a cordless model. That level of suction is more than enough to pick up stubborn debris like pet hair, dust, and crumbs. It's ideal for homes with pets or for anyone looking for an extra boost in cleaning power. It also offers 3-speed settings, giving you the flexibility to adjust the power depending on the mess at hand. The Cyclone filtration system is another feature worth mentioning, as it helps capture fine dust and allergens, making this a solid choice for allergy sufferers. Now, the versatility of this vacuum really shines through. Whether you're cleaning carpet, hardwood floors, tile, or even your car, the multi-surface brush roll can handle it all. It's designed to easily transition from one surface to the next without losing suction, and the included pet hairbrush is perfect for those pesky furs that always seem to cling to your upholstery. There's also a crevice tool for tight spaces, and a dusting brush for surfaces like shelves and baseboards. The ability to switch attachments quickly and easily makes this vacuum a great option for people who need an all-in-one cleaning solution. When it comes to real-world usage, the WORX 20V PowerShare impresses with its lightweight design. Weighing just 5.5 pounds, it's easy to maneuver around the house, even when you're carrying it up and down stairs. It's not just lightweight, but also easy to handle. The vacuum lays flat, which means you can get under furniture without having to move it around too much. If you need to clean above-floor areas like shelves or curtains, the vacuum also converts into a handheld model. That's a big plus for versatility and convenience, especially when it comes to cleaning tight spots and elevated surfaces. The battery life is where some cordless models can fall short, but here, the WORX 20V PowerShare works well. The vacuum uses the same PowerShare battery that powers over 140 different WORX tools. So if you're already in the WORX ecosystem, that's a nice bonus. The battery provides decent runtime though. Like most cordless vacuums, you might experience some drop-off in performance during longer cleaning sessions, especially if you're running on high power. But for quick, everyday cleaning, it's certainly up to the task. In terms of maintenance, emptying the dust cup is a breeze. With just the press of a button, you can dispose of the debris without having to deal with any mess. The vacuum also comes with an extra filter, which is a nice touch for keeping things running smoothly. But like all vacuums, regular brush roll cleaning is necessary, especially if you're using it for pet hair. Fortunately, the brush roll is easy to remove and clean, so you won't find yourself spending too much time on maintenance. When it comes to noise levels, the WORX 20V PowerShare is fairly typical for a cordless vacuum. It's not as loud as some traditional uprights, but it's not whisper quiet either. That being said, the noise isn't too bothersome, and the suction power more than compensates for it. Now let's talk about value for money. This vacuum offers a lot of functionality for the price. With its powerful suction, lightweight design, and versatility across different surfaces, it holds its own against similar models in the same price range. However, one thing to keep in mind is that the battery is sold separately. While it's nice that you can use the same PowerShare battery with other WORX tools, the cost of purchasing an additional battery could add up for some buyers. Still, when you factor in the performance, the included attachments, and the overall ease of use, this vacuum presents solid value. If you're comparing it to other vacuums in the market, a few alternatives come to mind. For instance, the Shark Rocket Corded Stick Vacuum offers similar power and versatility, but the WORX stands out with its lightweight design and the flexibility of switching to a handheld vacuum. The Dyson V8 Absolute is another competitor, offering excellent suction and a solid battery life, but at a significantly higher price point. If budget is a concern, the WORX offers a more affordable alternative without sacrificing too much performance. Build quality is something to consider when evaluating any vacuum, and the WORX 20V PowerShare doesn't disappoint. It's made of durable materials, and the vacuum feels sturdy without being overly heavy. The attachments are solid and fit well, ensuring that they stay in place during use. The dustbin is easy to remove and clean, and overall, the vacuum's construction feels premium for the price point. Maintenance is straightforward as well. As mentioned earlier, the brush roll and dust cup are easy to empty and clean, which is a big plus for long-term use. The filter is washable, so you won't have to worry about constantly replacing it. As for the longevity of the vacuum, there's no long-term data available yet, but based on the build quality and the reputation of the WORX brand, we can reasonably expect this vacuum to last well with proper care. So who is this vacuum best suited for? If you're looking for a lightweight, versatile vacuum that can handle multiple floor types and tackle pet hair without breaking the bank, this is a solid option. It's great for smaller to medium-sized homes or for anyone who needs a vacuum that's easy to store and quick to use. The inclusion of multiple attachments makes it ideal for people who want an all-in-one cleaning solution. However, if you need a vacuum for large, deep pile carpets, or have a larger home that requires extended cleaning sessions, you might want to consider a more powerful corded model. Thanks for watching! If you're considering the WORX 20V PowerShare Cordless Stick Vacuum, be sure to check out the link in the comments box. Let me know in the comments if you've already used it or if you have any questions. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep your spaces clean and your vacuums running strong.